Small messes, no problem. Meet the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean plus Cordless Hand Vacuum, a powerful cordless cleaner built for quick, easy cleanups at home and in your car. What's in the box? In the box, you find the BLACK+DECKER Advanced Clean plus Hand Vacuum, power adapter, and user manual. Product overview. How to use? Before using the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus for the first time, fully charge the battery for at least 5 hours with the vacuum switched off. Connect the charger to the charging port and plug it into a standard 120-volt 60 Hz outlet. To use the built-in crevice tool, pull it out until it clicks into place and push it back in when you're finished. Press the on-off button once to turn the vacuum on, press it again to activate boost mode for extra suction, and press it a third time to turn the vacuum off. Maintenance. To keep your BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus performing at its best, wash the filter and pre-filter with warm soapy water and wipe the dust bowl with a dry cloth. Make sure all parts are completely dry before reassembling the vacuum. Replace the filters every 6 to 9 months or sooner if they become worn or damaged. Smart features? Delivers strong, consistent suction to quickly remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and everyday debris. Its cordless design lets you clean around your home and car with complete freedom. The built-in crevice tool extends instantly to reach tight corners, narrow gaps, and hard-to-access spaces. It stores neatly inside the vacuum, so it's always ready when you need it. Activate boost mode for extra suction power when tackling stubborn dirt and larger debris. It provides enhanced cleaning performance for tougher messes with the press of a button. Its lightweight, compact design makes it comfortable to carry and easy to maneuver. Clean furniture, stairs, shelves, and car interiors with less effort. The washable filter and removable dust bowl make cleaning and maintenance quick and simple. Regular care helps keep the vacuum performing at its best. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean plus Hand Vacuum. See you at the next one.